This is going to be the door for the battery.
Yeah, we painted it up, made it look nice. Kind of.
Yeah, kind of. Could use another coat, but whatever.
These are the knobs that we bought. Aren't they so cute?
They're cute, but one of them broke already.
Well, we really reefed on it though, so it just this thing came out and like stripped the inside. They're so cute. I love them. There we have it. Opens, closes. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put in this piece. This covers where our DC to DC battery charger is, so that we also need to still make something to go here.
Okay. In you go. Oh, wait. There we go. Oh, as you can see, it is done. Wow. Right. We used a magnet one, and it's also just kind of stuck in there from the crappy paint job. Yeah. So that's that. And that's that one there. This could have been a better job, but it doesn't look that awful.
Well, you know, we're not carpenters, so it's half decent. It's good.
I drilled this hole here, and then we brought all the electronics up. So oh man, that got scratched.
And now we're just gonna make a box so that we can mount all these in here and it doesn't look like a tangled mess.
Hi. This is how you have to work in winter.
Look at how much snow we have already. Crazy.
Yeah.
It's not even close to how much we're gonna get this winter.
No. I'm not too thrilled about it. I've seen it enough, you know. 24 years and it's like, no, I'll pass. I've had enough.
It's such a tight fit to get all of these in here.
They really don't give you a lot of cord.
No, they really don't.
Oh, there's that.
I don't know if it's like got it all the way in. Okay, so this is what we've been working on. This is our control panel, I suppose. And then up here we're gonna use, this is gonna be spices, and then this is just
I'm making that as tea.
Okay, well, extra storage up here. But yeah, everything's hooked up now. We should be able to turn this on. This is our inverter. Ooh.
Nice.
And that should turn this on. Yep, there we go.
Cool.
And now we can charge things in here.
Wow.
It's nice to have everything set up here. And plus to have extra storage would be very nice.
Yeah, definitely. Our socks and underwear drawer. Well, for now. I don't know if that's where they're gonna stay. these ones. So these do fit, but I didn't take into the account that I had to put it like sideways, so they're going in like that. So this thing here is a rice cooker, and I was so surprised when I learned that I can actually use this thing in here. It's only 600, what is it, 610? Yeah, 610 watts. I thought for sure it'd be over 1,000 watts, but it's not. So, I mean, I use this thing all the time, and I didn't expect to be able to use it in here. Not only can you cook rice in here, you can cook soup, cake. I've made banana bread in here. I'm sure I could do muffins, all sorts of stuff, just quinoa, all the sorts. Like, yeah, I think this is going to be super cool. Oh, what a fit. Now this place was made for the rice cooker. All right. Well, I'm probably gonna put clothes in here. Wow, that was well placed. Batteries. Put it in my miscellaneous pile. So we got these thermos bowls. I mainly bought them for hiking instead of packing up a stove and expensive hiking dehydrated meals. Just make soup or actually anything, and it'll keep it warm for hours. And Star can always get some soup from her job. Don't really want to store batteries with food. So this is the bed platform piece here, and we decided to not make it a trifold. We're gonna always have this one down, unless obviously I have to get into that drawer. But I cut it shorter so that this can actually open and not rest. Like, you couldn't open the kitchen cabinet there all the way before, but now you can. So that's a plus. And then this is gonna rest on top of here. Then all we have to do is unfold that at night instead of the trifold was just a pain in the butt. Okay, gotta fit this stuff in here. These plates. Well, I guess that works. Oh, perfect. Oh, I forgot about this. I forgot about this. There. And this fits literally perfectly like that. bought some split loom. I just need to protect a few wires that have been stressing me out. There's a wire right here that's kind of stressing me out that it's gonna get wrecked. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of, don't steal my toque. I'm trying to steal my toque. Just put a bit of split loom on there. Oh, this diesel heater, man. Oh, thank God. I think it's slowing down. It's currently 21 degrees in here. Oh, it's more than that. It is definitely more. I've got this thing set to 20. I actually got it set to 19. It's finally slowing down. It's only, I think it's 2 degrees outside today. And this thing, holy moly. I mean, you barely even need heat today, really. It's not very cold. Anyways, as you can see, there's a mess behind me. This is all the bedding. So, I mean, when there's 2 of us, it works as a couch. And then when Star comes, we'll either just have to sit or make it into a bed. I was just editing the next episode. I'm editing as I go along just to keep up with it, and yeah, I just thought it'd be easier to edit it as I go. And with the diesel heater and the computer plugged in the whole time, I was using around 6 amps an hour, which isn't that bad. I turned off the diesel heater now. It is so hot. The sun is beating in the window, and it's just like a greenhouse effect in here. So, yeah, I turned that off because the sun is keeping it warm in here. I have to go to town soon for some groceries, and I'm interested to see how much charge I'll get. It's at 92%. I'm hoping it'll go up to almost 100. It's already getting dark. Sunset, I don't know what sunset's at nowadays, maybe 4:45, 4:30, I'm not sure. But bought some stuff. Bananas are not looking good. I was gonna make banana bread, but I don't want to do that during a snowstorm. I just think that'd be cool, making banana bread in a snowstorm. I also bought this not only for cooking, but for cleaning. Because I'm not going to be able to rinse my dishes all that well. So I bought this, and I'm going to just mix water and this. And vinegar is supposed to clean pretty well. It's antibacterial, so hopefully that is okay. I just don't want to use some toxic chemicals and then not be able to rinse it off properly. Alright, I got some. I'm gonna make just a simple rice dish today. I'm gonna try and just throw the broccoli right in to the rice cooker. And then I've got some avocado, so just avocado rice with broccoli. Just to test out the rice cooker. Just gonna open up the door and dump these into each other here. A full coriander now. Some vinegar in here. That's probably good. Probably shouldn't be doing this right by the outlets. Tiny bit extra for the broccoli, I guess. nice to have all like stainless, easy to clean. The only downside to this is we don't have our fan installed yet, and I was a bit worried about all the steam that this produces. But I guess we'll see. I guess we will see. Well, the test run was a success. Rice is perfect. The broccoli's good. Let's put that in here. Doesn't get too ridiculously hot on the outside, so that's good.
First night in the winter in the cap. See how it goes?
Although it's not really winter weather.
No, it's not.
It's only like 0 right now.
Hi.
Really need to find a place to put the remote for the temp gauge, because I want to know what it is outside. I don't want to know what it's in the truck.
Yeah.
I just don't know where to put it. Yeah, I was looking for a cute lamp today. Yeah, then nothing. They didn't even have a single, like, there was no paper towel rolls.
Oh, weird.
Or, I mean, holders.
I really like this thing.
Oh, it's great. Like, that DC to DC chart is so good. Like, it was at like 90 earlier. I went to town.
And you cooked the
It was
rice
100%.
and the broccoli?
Yeah, I cooked the rice. Well, I put the broccoli in.
With the rice?
With the rice.
Oh, it worked really well.
It worked perfectly, yeah. And it went down all the way to 85 or 84%. And just picking you up,
Yeah.
we're at 92% again.
And I mean, that was a couple kilometers. That's not
Yeah.
a very far drive.
No, not at all. So I figured it out per minute. It's kind of
Per
funny.
minute.
Per minute, we get 0.666 amps an hour
Oh my gosh. From the truck.
from the truck. So in, I think, 15 minutes, we get 10 amps.
Wow.
I think I used like 14 or 15 amps. But I had the diesel heater running too while I was cooking the rice.
Yeah.
I have to wash the rice cooker still because it was too hot. I had to just put it in there and let it cool down. So yeah, things we still need to figure out in here. Garbage can, leak, and paper towel holder.
Well, wait, we have garbage can, leak. Leak is the main one.
Yeah.
Gotta fix the leak. Paper towel holder, Aspen's food and water.
Yeah.
Because we were just putting it here so that she could drink while we were asleep. But now our electrical's here, so we obviously don't want to have a... And she's horrible. She spills water every day. This might seem totally crazy, but our dog loves banana. Absolutely loves banana. Yes, Aspen, I know. You want some banana? She's also a very gentle eater, which is nice.
Hey. Ah! Stop! Oh, stop. Oh, hi. Yeah, that's cute.
Aspen, you wanna go for a walk? You wanna go outside, go for a walk? Yeah? You wanna walk by the river? Wanna go for a walk? Yeah? Okay.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, we'll go. Yeah, we'll go for a walk. how lazy this is. This is what she does, even in the middle of the night. She won't actually get up. And this is why there's always water spilled everywhere.
Okay. How's that? Oh, okay.
Oh
Is
my
that
gosh.
enough? Oh,
It's like a weird noise.
how about that? Oh,
Oh my gosh! Aspen!
is that enough? Okay. No.
Daniel, just give her some nice belly rub. Nasty.
Pretty nasty. Oh, hi.
Stole my pillows and my boyfriend.
It's kind of fun being by the highway because it's like fun to watch, but it's too distracting, man. Also, I wonder who's gonna park beside us tomorrow. Hopefully nobody. Be really awkward, just like snoozing and someone like looks in here and what the hell.
Okay, well, let's go to bed.
Yeah. Well, we made the night. We survived. It's currently -2. It's 21 degrees in here. I think it was like 26 degrees last night in here.
Yeah, I had to open all the windows. It was so hot. Oh my god.